On the afternoon of 19th September 2023, the body of a newborn baby was found in a garbage dump within Mawpat locality. Immediately, the incident was reported to the Dorbar Shnong, which later contacted the Meghalaya Police for further action. It may be mentioned that the body of the newborn baby was found by garbage collectors who were scrambling through the dumpster for segregation of waste. In the meanwhile, the body was taken to Neigrihms hospital for tests. The Dorbar Shnong Mawpat Palun, through its headman Judah Walang, had expressed shock at the incident and had also condemned the act. While investigation into the incident is underway, the Dorbar Shnong Mawpat Palun had made public announcement to those responsible to come forward and take ownership of their actions. It was today, the 20th of September, that a 16-year-old minor and resident of the locality had confessed before her house owners to being the mother who had left her newborn baby in the dumpster. Later, members of the Dorbar Shnong Mawpat Palun visited the residence of a 23-year-old male labourer from Rambrai village, who is also a tenant at Mawpat locality, and after a few queries, he too confessed to have fathered the child. Both the young parents were handed over to the police for further investigation into the matter.
Kaya ka ba ninyo ya ka jingte perkalomba hadir ya ka ba nila ay ka ka ba election siya daw itu kita syong itu makum jubu ya ka try jong iya tikiladon tak tukane na kalian jong ki long kami ki bala phone ya tengok baleba dan kami wanwami abana kalian jong kilom san ki joki ki sinadon manu ki barang tenrei Kerang ba kan long ka surgical strike nak bentak kapar lain ke joki ke bangi ngile lomba nak kalian ke jonga kumrong lomba pidan kami banwan chef of shai nama ba ni dan kami ke ban panik recipe kan ya ke bangi lap ya ke jisha teman kade na kata te kabala penlong ya ki ban dia do dem hakaba mana mesti di ngalayo ya call na orang barong ya kaba na kalian jong try jong tukulong bala bread manen dilawan siya kamat ya kaban pala ba day maka kaba loka kami jong tukulong adin ni kabang ilale niyo i ba kaladon i becing kata kapar dan nalor bakalang long katana tenrei na kalian ka jongi tang bangi latip ya ka chisha te nilai ya kani ha kabor chuka namar ka ton ka ta ka jing perkhat na kalian ka jongi kalomba lesi ka dan ha prenjong ka jing klumar ya ka jing perkhat namar bangi keli kalomba omdan batip ha kabor bakakharu ini klung kalomba ka dan marwe omdan manu bayaram te nakata ka incident si sumpu kalomba lada niti kan kata ya kecil perkat kejungkan tiba ada kejung kapur bekerja kadang long minor di nyikan bur ketian syur kadang kini kiki bro di kebah nila syule kat bala ban keluar yang kabede kapur juga ya kebah kinyo ya kaban wan simpino bak bani alam mereka syak cakap kepada bani alam
nak kena senang ekrak yang dah
matarai kumdai kan riu senami kini kena
Dinteres nama mana Mawpat untuk pau day bersuan sah sini.
Ukpa umde boya salang ukpa jong le kulung tekat kong gajing pla gajing umde bo ya salang mereka. Tenrei ulai ya songka mereka. Tenrei ude bana shnong Rambrai. Tenrei usuan sah bala sini siapa Mawpat. Kiki pa kinlong kiba pikir kinlong ada kar nak bertai ko kampang nak bertai ki teenagers lagi kiba dangi kenjo aduka adolescent age ba kin kam bun ke jingai advice lane ka counseling nak bertai ki ko di joki de kenang ban kiar na ko ki chuja but nakabanta ki kun samna pat ka ba ngakwa ya ka ban panpao ang di kalomba baki kun samla ki de ban shim ya ki kimi ki pa kum ki parlo ki ba ye jane namar omla banong iba baro haka jingim kan nok perfect kan don ka jingim tengku tianre habaya tengku akum kan ni ka jingjang kalomba ki kun ki kti la kalong ki kentei la ne la kalong ki shimban ki de ban shim ya ki kimi ki pa kum ki parlo ki ba ye jan nama dangap hakum kan ni ka apot mano banai ka jingira de ki kimi pa